The Bullitt County Health Department was so excited to host our first ever Cooking Matters Day Camp for kids. We held 2 sessions, one in the morning for 4th through 7th grade and one in the afternoon for 8th through 12th grade. And it was so exciting to get to teach them new recipes, cooking techniques, and of course, knife skills. Hi, I'm Jamie. I'm one of the health educators here at the Bullitt County Health Department, and we were so thrilled to partner with Dare to Care for this Cooking Matters Day Camp. We've worked with them before in the elementary schools, working with kids, but to give them nutritional and the food literacy that they need has just been so invaluable to be able to offer that, and we really appreciate the partnership that Dare to Care has given us.
Well, my favorite part was just learning how to do knife skills and cook and all the nutrients and stuff. Well, my favorite.
And not only did we offer cooking skills, but they also got to learn a lot about nutrition, from hydration, complex carbs and whole wheats, to how to boost your immunity, eating the rainbow in your fruits and vegetables, and of course, how to get in that protein. Working in the health education department, nutrition and diabetes is really where my niche lies, and being able to offer this camp to these kiddos, being able to build up that food literacy, the health literacy, talking about immunity and how eating food can keep you healthy and provide the fundamentals of health and what you do and how you live out your life is such a valuable thing, and we're so passionate about it here.
I like most about the day camp is meeting new people.
Probably trying new foods and learning how to use a knife, probably.
And congratulations to our 4th through 7th grade for graduating from our first ever Cooking Matters Day Camp.
We need to eat more protein, more vegetables and fruits, and have a healthy gut.
Our health education team is excited to bring the Cooking Matters Day Camp to the children of Bullitt County. Teaching kids how to make healthy foods and simple meals builds lifelong habits, which starts early. Through fun, hands-on learning, these campers gain skills that will help them and their families live healthier lives. One of our key health priorities from our community health assessment is healthy choices. Programs like this lay the foundation for our healthier future.
Just check out these kiddos using their knife skills, vegetable peelers, building their own fruit parfaits, chocolate and strawberry French toast.
Definitely like all the cutting and the knife work and just being with everyone.
And congratulations to our first 8th through 12th grade class for completing the first Cooking Matters with teens.
I liked learning how to handle a knife and learning how to make different recipes.
And congratulations to those students who won the Cooking Matters Jeopardy. You guys really paid attention and got all the bragging rights.
How you could use proper knife skills and y'all helped us with our fingers and not trying to cut our
That just because it doesn't have sugar in it doesn't mean that it's healthy for you.
Here at Bullitt County Health Department, we're proud to invest in a healthy future for our community, one recipe at a time.
Again, we'd like to thank our partner Dare to Care for all that they did. They were so invaluable to making sure that this Cooking Matters Day Camp went off without a hitch, as well as to each family member who drove and transported their kiddos to get here. We thank you so much. From all of us at the Bullitt County Health Department, we are so thankful to be part of your community, and we look forward to building a safe and healthy future together.